Description: replacement brush tables for panel bending and punching turret presses are specifically designed to meet the demands of the turret press industry. These brush panels serve as the work surface for the press, ensuring efficient and precise operations. OEM-quality brush panels, such as the ones offered by RBT, are manufactured to meet industry standards and provide reliable performance. Features: customization: replacement brush panels are available for various turret press models, including Amada, Salvagnini, LVD Strippit, Euromac, Muratec, Trumpf, and Prima-Power. Improved design: these brush panels incorporate new design features and surface finishes to meet evolving industry requirements. Compatibility: replacement brush panels are designed to fit seamlessly into existing press tables, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Practical replacement: replacing worn-out brush panels is a practical solution to avoid potential risks such as scratching metal or inducing malfunctions caused by uneven work surfaces. Longer lifespan: RBT offers improvements in brush panel design to provide longer service life, reducing the frequency of replacement. Application: replacement brush panels for panel bending and punching turret presses are used in the following industries: sheet metal fabrication, ensuring smooth operations during panel bending and punching processes. Automotive, guaranteeing precise and efficient metal forming for automotive components. Electronics, providing a reliable work surface for punching and forming electronic parts. Appliance manufacturing, achieving accurate and consistent bends and punches for appliance components. Industrial machinery, assisting in the production of precise metal parts used in various machinery applications. Advantages: quality assurance: Bursten replacement brush panels are made with OEM